Hey everybody, Forrest here. I've got a 4-box rip here, 23-24 Select Basketball Hobby, all for JR. Good luck, JR. I haven't pulled any 101s out of Select yet this year so far, so maybe this is the time we do it. A better time than 2:30 in the morning. Unfuego Silver LeBron. Silver Concourse of Zion. Nice tie-dye sensations of Franz Wagner. 1 of 25 on the Franz. All right, decent card to start there for sure, JR. Tricolor of Stephen Curry. Clingy there. There we go. Scope of Shadon Sharp. Bilal Coulibaly jersey card. Silver of Keldon Johnson. $2.99 Concourse Light Blue Andre Jackson Jr. Tricolor Concourse of Jordan Poole. Mac McClung to 49 in-flight signatures. Mac McClung, Magic Legend right there. A Silver Domas. Right, yeah. So this one, and then there's one more that I'm doing, and that'll be it. That is correct. Cameron Johnson at a 75 for Brooklyn. Ooh, oh, wow, dude. That is freaking awesome. John Wall, Gilbert Arenas, dual auto tie-dye. That's so sick, JR. I don't think I've ever honestly pulled a John Wall auto myself. It's been a minute, hasn't it? Since he signs. Wall and Agent Zero. Insane duel. That's so great. A Silver Donovan Mitchell. A maroon of Coulibaly. It's out of 175. Good rook there. And a tricolor of Keontae George. That was a good box. It was a good box. Two autos and one relic also. Tricolor Jaren Jackson. White, nice. Derek Lively there to 149. Concourse rookie. Tricolor Concourse of Kyrie. Courtside Sasser to 99. Dorian Finney-Smith auto. That's a silver of Podziemski. Show the Podziemski here. There we go. Yeah, appreciate it, Scott. Yeah, so usually if you order like in the evening, typically, it'll get done like that night, though. And then there's certain times where we just do personal streams. Tricolor Giannis. certain days even. Scoot Henderson. A blue premier level Giannis. 249. Scope of Clay. Chris Murray rookie jersey. And a silver of Vassell. Orange to 65, Anthony Davis on the premier level. Silver SGA and a Russ. $2.99, you got Dejounte Murray. Morning, Alvin. To 25, Bilal Koulibaly on the tie-dye RPA. Great hit, JR. A lot of tie-dye for you as well. It's like a Grateful Dead show out here. All this tie-dye. And Silver Siakam. I've been breaking so long that Alvin was in earlier watching breaks and hanging out. He got a full night's sleep, and I'm still here. Utah, Oshiak Baji to 249 on the auto. And silver shade on Sharp. Warriors lead. Maroon rookie Tamani Kamara to 175. I don't know, man. Kind of feel like going to bed. A Koulibaly select feature silver. And a Shepherd rookie premier level silver. More tie-dye coming up. There's a Miller base. More tie-dye here. Who is it? It is DeAndre Ayton. Concourse of 25. Tie-dyes all over. Jimmy Butler, premier level scope. Tricolor, Jalen Pickett. Come on. 5 of 10. Gold Bryce Sensabaugh patch auto. I don't know, Mage. What do you think? I'm thinking Nuggets. I don't know, man. It's such an interesting game. Silver Bradley Beal. A blue Concourse of 249, Devin Vassell. Fuego Tatum, red Concourse Bradley Beal. Instead of 199. Tricolor Keldon Johnson. $25, Taylor Hendricks on the tie-dye rookie patch. Tons of tie-dye. Tons of it. And a silver premier level Steph Curry. And a tricolor Desmond Bane. All right, here we go, JR. One more box. I'd say really good so far. Need to hit it. Let's hit a gigantic rookie here, though. Green Wembanyama. Green Wembanyama. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, you live. Oh, so you're right in the heart of it. I think Minnesota can for sure do it. It's tough. It's tough to go to Denver and play the defending champs, and they're going to be pretty locked in, I would think, after the beatdown they got. Silver Concourse rookie of Noah Clowney. Yeah, I'm definitely full up, Alvin. I'm going to do one more after this and get out of here. Ooh, gold glitter. I'm at about 9 hours live currently. Just about 9 hours. Gold glitter is rookie premier level Chris Livingston. I plan on it, man. I plan on it. Tricolor premier level of Jordan Poole. Yeah, he's been so much fun to watch. Ryan Rupert to 99. Rookie patch auto. Yeah, Ant's been super fun to watch. He's taken such a big step forward this year. Silver Jamal Murray. A lot of guys stepped up on that Wolves team, though. Tricolor rookie concourse, Andre Jackson Jr. Nas Reed, of course. McDaniels, of course. They seem to have, like, gelled better the second year of that with Gadden Gobert. Andre Jackson Jr. to 49, rookie auto. Mike Conley's also been a gigantic help to that, too, though. Premier level silver, Trae Young. Solid veteran guard play. Silver future, Grady Dick. Silver concourse, Cade Cunningham. Maroon premier level, Devin Vassell. That's out of 175. $249 is Cameron Thomas. Concourse scope rookie Cam Whitmore. Concourse red of Dame to 199. And the tricolor of Pickett on the bag. Thanks for the order, JR. Nothing crazy on the rookie front, but you did hit some pretty nice cards, I'd say. Thank you, thank you. We'll get these out to you.